sa atin lahat. Andito naman tayo para sa panibago nating video tutorial. So, ang topic po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa HTML style and HTML formatting. So, unahin po natin ang style. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng HTML style? So, HTML style attribute is used to add style to an element such as color, font, size, and more. So, makikita nyo dito sa baba, may picture akong ni-display. Ito yung example ng HTML to CSS. So, kung HTML lang siya, only the content inside the element yung magdi-display sa browser. Wala siyang color, wala siyang font size, and more. Wala siyang mga style. So, kaya ang CSS ay ginawa para maging mas maganda tingnan ang HTML. So, let's have our example in style. So, this is a basic CSS. Tinatawag ito na inline CSS. So, hindi pa tayo makapunta dyan na topic kasi dito pa tayo sa HTML. So, for example, in HTML style. So, how can we add a color of the content inside the paragraph? So, ito yung P element natin at ito yung content. I am red. Paano natin lagyan ng kulay? So, example, let us see in our browser. So, refresh. So, meron na tayong content na I am red. Paano natin lagyan ito ng color? Yung content na I am red. So, lagyan natin ng style. Yung last time na video, pinapakita ko na paano ginagamit yung style na HTML style. Color red. So, let us see. So, 'di ba? Yung ating content ay may kulay na color red. So, let's add another element. I am blue. So, lagyan natin ng style. So, save and refresh. So, we have a content I am blue. So, paano naman natin na palakihin ang font size ng content sa element ng paragraph? So, let's add another example. I am big. So, lagyan natin ng style. .50 pixel. So, let's watch this. So, we have a I am big. Our content I am big. So, ito na yung font size. So, pwede nyo yung palitan ng font size na 30 pixel. So, ito, I am big. Simple example of HTML style. So, let us proceed. The HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. So, this will be the following syntax. Tag name, style equals property, then value. So, this will be the example. Style, tag name, P, or you can use another tag name, H1. So, style, then property. So, ano yung property? Font size or color, then value. Color red or 30 pixel, 30%. So that's the value. The property is a CSS property. The value is a CSS value. You will learn more about CSS later in this tutorial. So unahin po natin ngayon yung HTML. So dito lang muna tayo sa basic, sa inline CSS. So background color. So the CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. So for example, let's have a background color. So how can we put background color of this example? Paano natin lagyan? So ganito lang po yan. Maglagay ka ng background color dito sa body. Style pa din. Gumagamit pa din tayo ng style dahil ito yung ginagamit para sa CSS. Background color. So background color, then for example, powder blue. So save and let us refresh this one. So we have our background color. So as simple as that. So you can change the color. For example, green. Save, and our background color changes into green. So you can change the font color of the content. So that's it. Next example. How can we change the background color of every content? So ito, ang example natin kanina is the font color. So paano naman natin nang lagyan ng back color ang individual content na inilagay natin? Example. So let us erase this one. Color, style, background color. So let us add blue, red. Then the next one is background color is blue. So let us see this one. This is as simple as we can do this. You can follow after me. You can create your own example. You can create your own color, or you can create your own content. Then you need to try to put font color, background color of each content. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML. So the text color, it defines the text color of an HTML. Font, CSS font family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element. Font size, or kung let's add another example ng font family. So this is a paragraph. So let's add a font family. Style, font, font family, example Arial. So you can add a font style of the content. So we have, this is a paragraph. So the font style of the content is Arial. You can change any font style as you can. For example, let's add a H1. So this is heading. So let's add a font family. Style. So font family, for example, Verdana. So we have H1. So the font family of H1 is Verdana. So let us refresh this one. So this is a heading. So we have already an H1. Kita natin na change yung font style niya. So that's it for the CSN font family. So we can change the color of the text, we can change the background color of every content, and we can add a background color of two different elements, and we can add a background color for a page to powder blue or any kind of color. So this is a background color of the page, and the font family, background color of every content, and color of the text, then font size, and font family of paragraph. So next is text size. So let us delete this one. Text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. So how can we add a text size? We already use the text size of pixel. So let's try to add, we are going to use percent. H1 so let's add a style. Font size 300%. So this will be the font size of H1. So let's try to see this one. So this is a heading. So let's try to adjust the font size in 200%. So this is a heading. So let's add a paragraph. So let's change the font size of the paragraph. This is a paragraph. So let's try to add style, font size, example 100%. So you can add a heading, font size, and paragraph size. So you can use 50 pixel, or you can use percent. So 50 pixel, or so you can use 10 pixel of the font size. So next, text alignment. The CSS text align property define the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. So how can we add an alignment of the text or the content? How can we center this content? This is a heading. So let's try to code this one. So So let's add text align. Center. Let's see this. So our content, this is a heading, is center already. Then let's add in paragraph. So you can do it. So make the paragraph content in the center of the browser. Go. So that's it. So let's add a text align. So the paragraph content is centered. So try to add another paragraph to put it in the left corner. Okay. P, this is a paragraph in the left side. So style, text align, left. So let's try to see this one. Left. So let us change it to right. So our text, this is a paragraph in the left side, right side. Sorry. So this is a paragraph in the right side. So use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use a background color for background color. Use a color for text color. Use font family for text font. Use font size for text size. Use text align for text alignment. So that's all for this day, and God bless us all.